Welcome to Karl Chevrolet's Collision Center. This is a state-of-the-art building we opened in 2019, and we're going to take you through into our estimating bay and show you what to expect when you show up. Welcome to our indoor estimating facility. Here we'll assess the damage to your vehicle and make sure we get the proper estimate sent off to your insurance company to get you back on the road quickly as possible. Now, let's walk into our body repair process, where we'll do the initial tear down and any supplements that need to be done so that we can complete the insurance process. Once inside the collision center, we'll do a tear down. Depending on the severity of the damage, we can do a tear down, finish your estimate if there's any hidden damage. But we can basically, from the smallest dents, we'll do PDR, paintless dent removal if at all possible. We can do full frame. We've got a Spinisi frame rack touch system, actually within 0.3 millimeters of all measurements within the vehicle. Full windshield, all automotive glass replacement. Bumper sensors, calibration, mirror calibration. A lot of technology in the vehicles today. We got to make sure we get all those sensors right. We can do full box side replacement, whether it's GM steel, Ford aluminum. We've got all the tools to make sure that we're getting the proper repairs done. All the technicians are ICAR Gold Class certified. Full downdraft bake booths allow us to bake your finish back to proper factory specifications. We appreciate the opportunity to try and complete your repairs in a timely fashion and as safe as possible. There's no job too small or too large here at Karl Chevrolet Collision Center. We can handle it all and do our best to get you back on the road safe and in a prompt fashion.